Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, another tutorial video on how to remove background on your chosen pictures para sa thumbnail mo or any pictures na gusto mong i-edit. So you don't need to know about Photoshop na app or be a professional editor. So simple lang to guys, just like sa picture na ito, if you want to delete the background. So all you need to do guys is search sa Google Chrome and just type remove background. So ito ay very simple guys. It is time consuming kung gusto mo pang mag-aral about Photoshop, but if you use this website, it's so simple. It will only take seconds guys. At saka perfect yung pagka-edit ng background niya. Hindi ka mahihirapan. So all you need to do is to find your picture na gusto mong mawala yung background. Then, automatic siyang mag-edit ng yung background niya, dinidelete niya diretso. So, you can download that picture or you can put some background. So, marami siyang choices guys. Depende sa iyo kung anong background na gusto mo ilagay sa picture mo. So, simple lang siya guys. Just download your edited picture. So, ganyan guys. So, very smooth yung kanyang pagka-remove ng background previously. So, next guys, maghanap tayo ng ibang picture na gusto nating ma-delete yung background. So, ang kagandahan ng website na ito guys is it's totally free. So, hanap tayo guys ng ibang picture. Ito ay scenery. So, gusto natin yung bulaklak lang ang makukuha. So, super beautiful siya guys. Ang linis ng pagka-remove niya. So, you can download that right away or you can put some background. So, for now guys, I will download it as bear na flower. So, pretty guys. And, you can put that doon sa picture na inedit mo din. So, let us try it guys. So, I'm just showing you guys here the backgrounds na gusto mo rin siyang mapaganda or iba yung background. Yeah. So, let's try this picture guys ni Ivana Alawi. So, let's insert a picture of her. Tapos, lagay natin yung flower. Bear flower. So, yan guys. So pretty. So, parang PNG na rin siya guys. So, hindi ka na mahirapan. Dahil automatic siyang mag-overlay sa picture na gusto mo ilagay siya. So, very beautiful guys. Parang professional editor ka na din. So, if you like this video guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and Pakiclick na din sa subscribe button para ma-notify ka sa next upload ko guys. And again, thank you again and again for watching. Hope to see you in my next vlog. Have a blessed day. Bye!